The order was placed on 14th January. Original shipment date was, estimate date was 10th February. So I'm trying to find out where my order is. So as you can see on the right, just like what you saw in demo yesterday, I asked the AI assistant, hey, what is the earliest shipment date for this order? The AI assistant goes behind the scene, looks at all the order items in the order, finds out what is the latest update on that, and comes back to me and says, hey, 2 of the items are actually out of stock. That means shipment will be delayed. Well, and it finds out and tells me the new estimated date would be March 3rd. So it answered my question, but it didn't stop there. It also enabled me to update the date in the sales order with just 1 click. I press the button update, and voila, as you can see on the screen, it will update 3rd March. It doesn't stop there as well. Then it asks me, do I need any help to craft an email to send it to the customer? Isn't this amazing? Isn't this a great assistant or what? All right, so yesterday I talked about the sales scenario. Today I'm showing you distribution scenario, but that's not it. AI is going to enable so many scenarios across so many businesses that opportunities are boundless, and it is going to transform the way we do the business. Okay, so talking about those boundless opportunities and possibilities, let me give you examples of some of those possibilities. So for example, in case of distribution, it can help me with anticipating where the shipping, when the shipping can happen, just like what I showed you. Or it can help me with the inventory replenishment. In case of manufacturing, it can help forecast the inventory or help with the capacity planning. In case of construction, project forecasting and estimation can take it to the next level. Well, with the support boards, dynamic pricing, and product recommendation, AI can help grow the retail and commerce to the next level. In case of finance, AI can help me with bank reconciliation or even anomaly detection. In case of CRM, it can help with the churn prediction or opportunity heat map. With the predictive field service as well as the smart scheduling, AI can transform the way we do the field service. But it doesn't stop with all of these industries. It can help the platform too. It can help with the natural language search or the voice integration. So many possibilities, isn't it? All right, so now we talked about many of the possibilities. We already have integrated AI in our product. For example, yesterday I told you about anomaly detection or the invoice categorization. As we speak, we are also working on other areas like AI assistant, as I showed you, or help agents. But that's not it. As I said, we are just getting started. There are so many things we can do. So now you saw what are the possibilities. So you must be wondering, so how does this happen? How does the magic happen? Okay, let me take you behind the scene a little bit. Now, I'm not going to show you architecture diagram. Don't worry about that. But what I'm showing you here is how many of the key components come together. So in the ERP application, AI can show up in many ways, as I mentioned yesterday, as an AI assistant, where I can talk with voice or chat, and I can get my job done. Or in form of AI automation, where it will increase my productivity by removing the manual processes. Or intelligent advisor, who can show me trend analysis, it can help me with anomaly detection, and so much more. As you all know, our platform is the key component for Acumatica system. Well, it is getting richer. It is getting more advanced with AI agents and AI Studio. AI Studio will help me with automating all of my workflows and get the deep data insights with the power of AI. And later on today, Mike will come and talk a little bit more about that. Also, AI agents are going to change the way we interface with the ERP system, again with the power of AI. All of this power of AI comes from the data. AI is as good as the data, whether that is customer data in Acumatica system or whether that is outside of the Acumatica system. And also the usage data that comes from the user telemetry data set. Well, let's talk a little bit about the native AI services. They enable the secure access to these data sources, and also with the fine-tuned LLM, it ensures there is no data leakage. Well, with the pre-trained models, it ensures that whatever we do is high performance and it's accurate. But we don't stop over there. We also enable you to bring your third-party AI services. You can use their models, their agents, and their LLMs. Last but not least, AI Services Gateway brings all of these pieces together. It plays a role of a glue with secure access, with easy provisioning, with proper governance, and enabling the consumption-based licensing. All right, so you saw possibilities, you saw how the magic happens. Now let me invite our CIO, Jeff Smits, who will talk about the infrastructure that powers all these services at scale and also ensures the data safety.